We're up early to watch the sunrise over Mahahual. It's beautiful, a little windy on this rooftop, but totally worth it. It's got the most incredible views. It really is spectacular. Mahahual is just perfection. So we have just arrived in Mahahual. It is the tiniest little town. It's just above Bakla, so where we were yesterday, which was a freshwater lagoon. It's just above that, about an hour and a half away. You catch a tiny little bus here. But look at this water. This is where we're staying for the next 2 nights. We're going to get to have this every day. We're doing a lovely snorkeling trip in the morning, which is something the area is super known for. They've got a great reef out here, so we'll get to go and check that out. We'll take you along with us, and yeah, we'll go and explore the town and enjoy it. So let's go check it out. We spent our time swimming in this absolutely perfect water. Honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. There are tons and tons of tours you can do from Mahahual. I'll link them below so you can check them out. Alright, this morning we're going out snorkeling with Mahahual diving, and we're going to go out to the reef, have a little snorkel around, see what we can find out there. So let's get our day started. Snorkeling and diving are huge activities to do in Mahahual, and you have a high chance of seeing turtles as there's a big population that lives on the reef offshore. So we joined the snorkeling group and headed out to see if we could find them. We were lucky enough to see 2 turtles while we were snorkeling. It was so beautiful. After we finished snorkeling, we headed over to our favourite lunch spot, grabbed a bit of food, and then we headed back to the beach. We're here at Encanto Boutique Hotel. It's the most beautiful little hotel right here on the beach in Mahahual. Come and check it out. Dinner with a side of soccer warm-ups. Doesn't get much better. All right, we've come down to our favourite street food stall. We're getting sopas. We love the sopa. It's a corn meal, so it's gluten-free, and this guy is the boss. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.